afternoon, everyone. This is Arsha, studying in third class in our Shri Shanti Niketan English Medium School. Today, I am telling about soldiers. Soldiers are the pride of your nation. They are disciplined, courageous, and selfless. Soldier is the guardian of your nation. He protects the country from enemies. Most of the time, a soldier lives in the border. A soldier is always ready to fight for his country. A soldier is always ready to sacrifice his life for his country. He dies for his country. He was a very brave and strong person. The life of a soldier is a tough one. Salute to those who are safeguarding the beyond smiles in our country. Jai Jawan. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.